car driving past. Oh, they're pulling into gate as well. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, you join me at Reading Gate here tonight for Reading Japanese meet. Now, as I was saying in the intro, you've just seen the police car drive past. I was hoping for no police today. As you know, it's been pure chaos the last couple of months if you've been watching the videos. The police have been all over it. I can't believe they're here already, but yeah, it's a lot warmer than it was last month. It's actually December, so it's the last meet of the year. I've lost my Coca-Cola gloves as well, so we got some blue ones on. But yeah, let's just get straight into tonight's video. We're currently walking to the roundabout now, and yeah, I'll see you once we're there and see what cars show up. Do we have Adam C? Yes, we do. He's in his Toyota Chaser. We have Adam C coming back around. Oh no, we have a second police car arriving. Still 20 minutes till the event starts. Do I see some underglow on the BMW? Looks like it's hanging down quite a bit on the front. Oh no, this is a third one, I believe. It's not looking good. Mark 1 MX-5, the Christmas tree is back. I saw this on the weekend. Nice to see it back once again. I see something with blue headlights coming as we can take a look just up the road. Not quite sure what it is yet. Oh, I got blocked out by the taxi. There you go, you can even see the car. We have more people stood at the roundabout watching cars arrive than we do actually in the car park. There's nothing here at the moment. Oh my god. It's rapid. Oh, the police car's going after someone. Is this the fourth one? Oh, I wonder who they're after then. We have a pink Polo coming in. Turboed. It's got one light out. So loud. Oh, there was a big flame. As you can see behind me, I am the last person at the roundabout. We're only an hour into the event. I've spotted 4 or 5 police cars here, and there was no announcement for the event tonight, so I don't know if it's been cancelled. I don't know what's going on, but I've only counted about 20 to 25 cars in the event. Well, I'm going to go to the car park now and see what's there, but at this roundabout, about 20 cars. There's not been nothing pretty much arriving, and everyone's left. Like, everyone's been driving back that way on the way home, so yeah, I don't know what's going on tonight. Normally there's a Facebook group or a WhatsApp group and they announce, you know, people where to park and stuff, but there's been none of that today, no announcements whatsoever. But I just think the last couple of months it's just been putting people off. The police here, like I've spotted 4 or 5 police cars, like that's just ridiculous. Nothing's here, nothing's going on. I mean, cars are slowly arriving, but yeah, it's not much, and it's not non-Japanese cars. I understand it's December, people put their cars away for winter, including myself, because I've not been driving the Mark 1 while it's been icy out in the salty roads and stuff, but yeah, there's just literally been nothing today. currently walking through the KFC car park. I don't know what that is revving. Sounds like a Focus. Sounds crazy though. Oh, he's right at the back as well. There's the Christmas Lit 1 Series over there. Yeah, usually this car park is packed, but it's completely empty today. There isn't much whatsoever. We have Boris. I have not seen this in so long. I have not seen that in months, but there we go. It's got a GTR badge on the back. The exit to Reading Jatney is just over there, and if we take a look further up the road, once again, just like last month, there is a police car sat in the exact same spot. We've got a couple M140s revving with the lit car just there. Here we go, we're gonna get some revs. Oh, they stopped. Oh, yeah, he's going again. The police officer has a camera in his hand just up there, so he's going to be filming plates now. See, like the MX-5 has just left and done nothing wrong, but yet the police are going to be taking down his plate, probably get a warning letter for no reason. Okay, we have another police car driving past. And we have another one driving past once again. Here we go, the Christmas Lit 1 Series with the BMW police car behind. Do you think he's going to get pulled or not? More Christmas lights in the Micra. What are the police saying about this? Oh no! He's running over. Oh, he's been pulled. I guess we're just gonna go and have a look and see what's happening. Obviously, the Focus just got pulled. The police have just jumped straight back into his car. There also is a second police car there. Boris the Micra leaving. Whoa! It's a shame we couldn't hear that. Right then, so that was it for Reading Japanese meet. I really hope you have all enjoyed this video. What a cold one it was. It was much warmer than last month, but it's still cold out here. And there's also police as well. The Focus got pulled. I don't know what for, but there was arguing back and forth, the police and the Focus driver. But yeah, that was pretty much it. It was kind of a quiet one, even compared to last month. Last month there was at least half a car park, and this time it was basically a quarter. So yeah, who knows what's going to happen with Reading Jap meet. There was no official announcement. Oh, I've just realised the Mark 1 is leaving with the Christmas tree. I would have just missed that. Check that. And also we just had some revs from the Civic. But yeah, I'm going to end this video here. I need to go home. I need to be up at 2 AM tonight for a night shift. So I'm not looking forward to that. But yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. It's much appreciated. And yeah, I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace out.